Yeah, dear student, this is the second part of the lecture, which was about behavioral theory, which is one of the learning theories. How does this influence on ELT, the audiolingual method? It's all about another theory is audiolingual method, which is behaviorism exactly influence the audiolingual method. How does behaviorism influence audiolingual method, which become popular in the 1940s and 1960s? Right. We need to know what's audiolingual method. Its language is learned through listening and speaking. Grammar is taught inductively, rules not explained. Emphasis on drills and dialogues, use of native-like models, minimal use of mother tongue. So these are the features of audiolingual method, which has been influenced highly by the behaviorism theory directly. So example of behaviorism lesson. When you teach present simple, for example. Model 1, teacher, I work in a hospital. Repetition, students repeat the sentence several times. I work in a hospital. I work in a hospital. Step 3, substitution drill. I work in a school. I work in a hospital. I work in a school. They drill. They substitute. Step 3, I work in office. Non-office. Step 4, immediate correction. Incorrect response corrected immediately by the teacher. If the students, commit or give an incorrect response, the teacher started to immediately correct it. What are the advantages of behaviorism in ELT? Effective for pronunciation practice, useful for beginners, builds accuracy and automaticity, being autonomous learner, help in large classes. What are the limitations of behaviorism? Neglects meaning and communication. Learners may speak correctly but without understanding. Little room for creativity. Ignores cognitive and social aspects of learning. Behaviorism in modern ELT. Although behaviorism is no longer dominant, people do not use it anymore, or in a very limited situation or context, its techniques are still used selectively, especially for pronunciation drills, grammar pattern practice, early stages of learning. Modern ELT techniques or combines behaviorist techniques with communicative and cognitive approaches. Okay, so you need to do these activities. Activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, activity 4, activity 5, activity 6, activity 7, activity 8, activity 9, activity 10. Okay, you need to do all these activities. Okay, thank you very much, dear students, and see you next lecture.